Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about where to get your TB test. Having a TB test is critical to this course because we're going to ask that you go into a preschool classroom and observe children. Before we do that, we need to know that you are cleared and you don't have tuberculosis. So, you can get a TB test done at your physician if you'd like, but you can also get them done at MJC in their health services office. So I'd like you to look at the map of the East Campus, and health services will be located in the Morris building, which is right here on number 4. There's that American flag, there's College Avenue, and Morris Street. So it's that first building, you kind of walk in and there's not, it's like outside but still kind of inside. So it's that building. If you're in that building, you're in the right place. Now, you can also get it done at the West Campus. And on the West Campus, it is in, oh, I've got to get my bearings here. Here's Blue Gum. It is in Yosemite Hall, which is right here, number 9. This is where the Child Development Office is in Miwok. So it's real close to there, and when you go, you need your student ID with the current sticker, or you may need your class schedule. You also need to get your TB test done on either Monday or Tuesday because you have to go back and have it read 2 days later. So make sure that you plan accordingly. Your TB test will be due by the second week of school, so you need to get that done as soon as possible. In order to turn those in, you may need to scan them and submit them to me. We'll talk later about what to do if you want to observe at Miwok on campus, but for now I just need to know that you're cleared and I need to have a copy. If you have any trouble getting your TB test in, just make sure that you utilize the resources on campus. There's a computer lab and they have scanners in there. There are often people in there that can help you do that as well, people that work at MJC. So just ask around if you're having a hard time, or you can always email me and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So I hope that helps. Make sure you get those TB tests done so you can ensure that you stay in the course. If they're not in, I may have to drop you. So let's keep in contact and get those TB tests in. If you have any questions, let me know.